Hello everyone, welcome to Turtle Toddlers. Myself Dr. Priyanka, specialized in kids nutrition. So the aim behind starting the Turtle Toddler is learning with fun, nurturing the little brains for their development of mental, physical and social things. Different types of junk food kids have nowadays are fries, pizzas, pastas, different kinds of noodles. So again the oily things, chips, cold drinks. So there are many more. We can replace these foods by homemade things. So like cold drinks we can replace by lime water. What are the benefits of lime water? It gives energy to the kids. They can have after exercise or during exercise, sip by sip. Lime water also promotes a healthy skin. Like adults nowadays, small kids also wants to look great, so it also promotes a healthy skin for them. It is also good for your digestion. Most of the kids wants noodles mostly on every day, so we can replace that noodles which is made up of maida. We can replace that with the great superfood which is called as finger millet, that is ragi, which is also called as nachni in Marathi. So why I'm calling that is a superfood? So basically the finger millet, it consists of lots of calcium, amino acids and micronutrients, which is great for your gut. Finger millet, which is considered to be a healthy grain among all the foods because it helps in weight management. In kids, it helps in developing the bones and teeth stronger. When it combines with jaggery and ghee, it increases weight in babies. Finger millet is also rich in iron, calcium and protein. It prevents aging. It prevents hair fall also. It is good for your digestive system. Ragi can be considered as a substitute for rice in weight management also. It has many properties. It has amino acids. It has micronutrients which gives energy to the kids. It has the property to enhance the sleep. So finger millet has a cooling quality. So it mitigates the excess heat and acidity from your body. Also gives you the relaxed feeling. So the kids who are always hyperactive or it's always in want to do something for the concentration and for the relaxation, we can have ragi in their diet. You can have ragi every day for your kids in any form. You can make a potraj, you can have it in your rice, you can have it with your atta, you can make a chapati, you can make a dosa, you can have it. There are so many recipes we can combine with ragis. So here I want to mention one thing which is more important. Always give ragi, that is a finger millet, to your kids in the morning only because it needs a time for digestion. Digestive process is very elaborative, so it takes long time. So give it, no doubt it's a supernatural food, but always give it in the morning so that kids have time to digest that easily, and don't prefer at night. So being a parent, give your kids healthy foods and not the junk food. Start with yourself because kids don't listen, they do what they observe. So start with yourself, you have healthy food and then kids will definitely gonna follow it. If you are liking the videos, and we are going to start a series of the topics we are going to discuss here once in a week, so you can comment your topics for discussion in comment section. If you are liking and if you are thinking this video will be helpful for you, so please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.